guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn Windows 11 laptop brightness not working. So let's get started. So if your laptop brightness is not working on your Windows 11, now to fix that what you have to do is follow some easy steps. First what you have to do is just simply check if your device has an update. So just simply open up your settings, and after opening up your settings, now here you will find Windows Update. Just tap on it, and after tapping on that, now you just have to check if you have an update. So just simply tap on check for update, and after tapping on check for update, now it will check if there are any updates on your Windows. So if there is, then what you have to do is just simply go ahead and then update it, and after updating your Windows device, it should fix the problem. So if that did not work, then what you have to do is just simply tap on system, which you can find in the left side of your screen, and then tap on display. After tapping on display, now you will find your brightness option, and in your brightness option, now what you have to do is just simply tap on battery only, and then change it to always. And after changing it to always, now you can just increase your brightness, and it will not automatically be turned off, or it will not automatically lower your brightness. So if you'll make it on off, or if it's on battery only, then what will happen is if you'll charge your device, then only you can increase your brightness, or if it's off, then it will automatically increase brightness. So what you have to do is just simply change it to always, and then you can easily select the brightness that you want. So just simply change this option, and this should fix your problem. But even this does not fix your problem, then what you have to do is just simply open up your CMD. So tap on Windows key and then type in CMD, and then run it as administrator. After running your CMD as administrator, now so just simply type in this, and after typing it, just tap on enter. After tapping on enter, now it will scan for any issues or bugs that are in your Windows, and after checking that, now if there are any, then it will fix the problem. So just simply type in this, and this should fix your problem. So currently it is scanning my device, and after completing the scanning process, it will fix any issues or bugs. So just simply do this, and this should fix the problem. So that's it, guys. This is how to fix Windows 11 laptop brightness not working. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.